el tuteo y el voceo. Tuteo and voceo are both ways to conjugate the second person singular form of a verb, but it has a difference. Let's begin. Tú eres. Vos sos. Tú trabajas. Vos trabajas. Tú comes. Vos comes. Tú vives. Vos vivís. Tú piensas. Vos pensás. Tú sabes. Vos sabés. Tú duermes. Vos dormís. Hope you learn another Spanish reading and stuff. Wait for more videos. Thank you for watching. God bless.